Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about the following mini car here. The first one is a cute bus. Mini excavator. A nice excavator. How about this one? Airdrome bus. Okay, a big truck. After we check a big truck, now we can see a cement mixer. A cute cement mixer truck. The next one, how about this? How about this one, everybody? Helicopter, a cute helicopter. A cute excavator. Now check the next one. Racing car. Hero Spider-Man. My favorite hero Spider-Man. You can see a sign of spider on his chest. Spider-Man. Hero Spider-Man. Racing car, mini racing car, red color. Mini racing car, red color. Now check the next one. How about this one? Hero Captain America. You can see a strong cashier. Super motorbike. Another cute super motorbike. This one is a police super motorbike. You can see number 911. Police super motorbike. How about this one, everybody? Mini cute airplane, white color. Really cute. Okay, now find another interesting car here. Ladder truck. Cute ladder truck. Okay everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.